Hi, good morning. I'm sure many of us have heard our spouse or family members snoring. Snoring is actually a very common problem, and it is underestimated by most accounts. About 40% of males, 28% of females snores regularly, and 90% of adults are habitual snorers. What we do know that the snoring actually increases as we get older, and if you are obese, the problem gets worse. Snoring, by and large, is just an audible sound that is created during sleep, and this is due mainly to an obstructed airway during our sleeping time. But often, this may be an indicator of something more sinister. There are features that will make us concerned that snoring is actually more than just simple social problem. What we can see is that if the individuals have problems with very loud snoring, or they have choking episode, gasping for air during sleep, or waking themselves up during sleep, then this may be may indicate that individuals may have obstructive sleep apnea.